It's freaking bats. I love Halloween. What's up, spooky beauties? It's Lindsay. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to another day of Hair Week. Today is Halloween. It's freaking bats. I love Halloween. I'm gonna try my hardest to keep this video short and sweet because I know you've got some last minute costume errands to run, because I surely do. So nobody wants to be watching videos all day long when you got costumes to make and stuff. But y'all already know I kind of talk a lot, so bear with me here, all right? So today we are talking about your must-have fall wig, which is this bob right here from RPGShow. You guys have seen me review and rock RPGShow wigs since I think the beginning of this year, end of last year, beginning of this year. It's always such a pleasure to work with them. I remember, I think I said this in like my very first RPGShow review, but when I very first started on YouTube years and years ago, and I saw a lot of RPGShow reviews, and I was always like, they got cool wigs, I want to work with them. So to be able to now is just like so surreal. So I thank you guys so much for giving me opportunities like this. So as I said, this is a unit from RPGShow. I am going to show you guys what comes in the box. This is the gorgeous box you guys have seen, and then I will give you guys the details on this hair itself. So inside the box you get the hair, which is beautifully wrapped in a net, and I don't want to start with cons since they're like negative, but I will say I loved everything about this wig except for the smell. And I don't know what it was, I don't know what the situation was, because I have tried several RPGShow wigs before and I've never had a weird smell. If anything, I loved the smell of them. I don't know what happened with this one. I don't know if it was the coloring they used, like the dyes or what, but I'm gonna be honest, I was not having it. So I did shoot them an email and I was like, what's going on? And they didn't even really know. So I did wash the hair and the smell is out now, but that first smell, when I first got it out the box, I was like, sis, what is that? But it was really, really soft, so I was confused. I was like, I don't know. But we got the smell out with one wash, which I'm like, okay, whew, we're good. RPGShow has stayed very consistent with their packaging and everything that comes inside as well. So a lot of the things you see are similar to what you've seen previously. So as usual, the hair is packaged in a net to protect the hair, and then it is in this beautiful travel case zip up. If you are traveling and you're not wearing your wig on the flight, you can just package it in here, pack it with you, and you are ready. Also, I know RPGShow has a lot of hair events in New York, and I've always wanted to go to one because I know a lot of you guys live in New York. So I just want to know, like, how many of you guys watch my hair videos that live in New York, because I am planning to come out there soon. I want to. I've never been, and I would love to meet you guys, whether I do a little meetup or what. I don't know. I know you guys are probably all over New York, but I don't know. I really want to go out there. I really want to meet you guys. So let me know if you are in New York. We're gonna form something. I'm coming soon. I'm coming to meet all y'all soon. They also throw in this ear tape elastic band if you do want the wig to sit tighter on your head. Then as usual, they do have their little magazine that shows you how to style your wig, how to cover up anything, how to apply it, wash it, all that type of stuff. So this is like your go-to guide for all things wigs in their magazine. And then lastly, you just get your little info card that tells you everything about the wig that you ordered. This name is the Katie Bloom 001. It is a silky texture, 14-inch blunt cut. I could never really decide between 14 and 16 which one I like more, but definitely 14. 14-inch is my length. Hair color is just like the picture. It is a cap size 1, cap construction B, lace front, wig cap. Lace color is light brown. So about the cap construction itself, there are only 3 combs in this, not 4. So thankfully there's not that one irritating one in the middle front that people like it's in the worst place, honestly. So they don't put that in their wig cap, which I love. There's also some adjustable straps in the back, which is excellent if you've got a small head like me and you really got to secure that wig, girl. You need it snug. So those are awesome as well. Their parting is always like magnificent without even trying. Did y'all hear that like juice in my mouth? They definitely hands down win best parting. They do. This is a very mom look, like very mature, very PTA boss mom. You know, I don't know. I love this cut. I love this length on me. It's a very healthy, like wholesome look, which I love. And I think it's perfect for fall. Honestly, I think this is the perfect fall wig. Perfect length for, like, you know, if you want to do the sweaters, the turtlenecks, all that type of stuff, scarves. I don't know, the coloring, everything is very autumn, and I love that so much. So I 100% vote this your must-have wig for fall. So if you look on the website, I'll actually put a picture right here. The hairstyle was actually supposed to be a nice wavy, kind of like a loose wavy curl pattern to it, and it did come that way when I first received it, but due to the smell I had to wash it and wash that out. So I did wash out the curls that maybe it was like the heating tool they used. I don't know, girl, but I did have to wash it, and I thought about curling it again, but I straightened one side and I was like, I kind of like it straight. So it does look cute, curled or straight. I will put a picture of the curled version of this. Like I mentioned in Monday's video, a lot of companies don't do very well with blending the root out, so they did a good job. Honestly, I really like this dark root that blends into a nice caramel autumn, and I love how the lighter pieces frame my face. So I did tuck that side just because I hate it like hitting my eyelash. You see that? It's just like, so the coloring is absolutely beautiful in my opinion. I love this caramel light brown with the dark, it's just so autumny. Like, this is your must-have wig for fall, I'm telling you. All right, I'm talking your heads off. I'm gonna let you guys go because I know it's Halloween. You got places to go, people to see, costumes to make. Stay tuned for Lee and I's costume tonight. Maybe if you don't see one, it's because we took too long trying to make them and it just didn't work out. But I think it might turn out kind of cute. Our vision is cute, but we don't know what it's gonna look like. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I will have all of RPGShow's links in the description box below, along with the direct link to this unit if you want to match me, be my twin this fall. Because honestly, I'm going to be wearing this often. Like, this is the fall hair. This is it, sis. This is it. If you're new here, don't forget to press that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys tomorrow in my next video. Bye, y'all.